Good morning, children. Okay, see, after 2 weeks, we are going to start today's class, isn't it? Last class, we have studied about the new chapter which is started only the exponents and powers. What is meant by exponents and powers? The form, exponential form is used when a number is multiplied by itself. Okay, and repeated multiplication with same number repeated multiplication with same number. There is a shortcut to express the same, and that is called exponentiation. Exponentiation, clear to you? And the number used for multiplication is called the base, and how many times it is repeating is known as power, and the power is written on the top right side of the number. So when an exponential form is given, we have studied how to write the base and exponent of the number, isn't it? Now we are moving to the value of exponential form. If a number is given in the form of exponents, how can we find its value? How can we find its value on a question? And it is before entering into the value case, this is already known to you. Anyway, teacher will tell you once again. Negative 1 power n. When negative numbers are used for multiplication, you count the number of negative signs. Count the number of negative signs. If the number of signs is odd, given product, the product is also negative one. Suppose the number of negative signs is even, then the product is positive. We have already studied that. Here instead of counting the number of negative signs, they told that to use the power. Okay, when a negative number is given, look at its power. If the power is an odd number, product is negative or the result is negative. If the power is an even number, then the result is positive. Okay, here general case negative 1 power n. If n is an odd number, value is -1. If n is an even number, value is positive 1. Clear to all? So, get the idea in your mind. If negative signs, number of negative signs is odd, result is negative. When the number of negative signs is even, then the whole result is positive. Okay, so let us go through some questions. Find the value of the following exponential forms now. Okay, question number 1 is 11 cube. What is the meaning of 11 power 3? 11 power 3 is read as 11 cube. When the power is 2, we can read it as square. Okay, so here power 3. Or if you don't want to leave it, 11 power 3. What is the meaning of 11 power 3? 11 is multiplied by itself 3 times. 11 into 11 into 11. Multiply term by term. 11 11s are 121. 121 into 11 is multiply on your right side. Teacher knows, that's why 1331. Finished. Next one, negative 8 power 3. What does it mean? Multiply negative 8 3 times. Negative 8 into negative 8 into negative 8. Power and the odd number. Result of negative. Multiply 8 8s are 64. 64 into 8 is 512. Clear? Next one is negative 3 power 5. Negative 3 power 5. What does it mean? Multiply negative 3 by itself 5 times. 5 is an odd number. Result negative. Ini multiply. 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27. 27 into 3 81. 81 into 3 is 243. Last question of the same type. Last question. Here is a rational number given. Up to this time we have taken integers. Here is a rational number. 5 by 7 power 3. Whatever it is, the number here, the number used here is 5 by 7. And 5 by 7 power 3, the meaning is 5 by 7 into 5 by 7 into 5 by 7. And we have studied the multiplication of rational numbers, isn't it? What we have to do? Multiply numerators whole by The product of denominators. 5 into 5 into 5, 125 by 7 into 7 into 7, 343. Don't write 21. 7 into 7, 49. 49 into 7 is 343. Do you have any doubt up to this? Clear to all? Okay. So let us move to the other type. Next we are moving to rational numbers into power notation. Rational numbers into power notation or exponential form. Both are the same. Power notation means exponential form. When a number is expressed in the form of power using powers is called power notation or exponential form. But here, look at here, a number is given or rational number is given 64 by 1000. We have to express this as some number power m. Okay, x power m format. That is called power notation or exponential format. But we have to find the number and also power needed. But think about 64 and here it is 1000. 1000 is easier. How can we get 1000 by multiplication of which number by itself? Edengile numbers alla by itself enne venam. So this 1000 ayukonde it's very easy to get 10 into 10 into 10 aanu understood aanu. Appo we have to think about 64. 1 into 1 into 1 1 aanu. 2 2 2 8 aanu. 3 3 3 3 cube nu parayunnathu 27 aanu. 4 cube 4 into 4 into 4 എത്രയാ 64 ആണ് അല്ലേ? അപ്പോൾ we can express 64 as 4 into 4 into 4, 1000 as 10 into 10 into 10 അല്ലേ? അപ്പോൾ number used here is 4 and 10 are used അല്ലേ? അപ്പോൾ 4 by 10 together എടുത്തു. How many times you have multiplied it? 1 2 3 times. That 3 write it on the top right side of the number and it is called power. So 4 by 10, keep it in a single bracket, then power 3. Clear to you? Next one, 49 by 81. So it's very clear, my number multiplied by itself. What is it? 7 7s are 49. 81 or 9 9s are 81. So we can write it as 7 by 9 power 2. Clear? Next one. Negative 64 by 125. Negative 64 by 125. Negative 64 ആയതുകൊണ്ട് തന്നെ already understood ആണ് number used is negative ആണ് അല്ലേ? Sure ആയിരിക്കും. That's why product negative അല്ലേ? Now think about already 64 നമ്മൾ എഴുതി കഴിഞ്ഞതായിരുന്നു. അപ്പോൾ instead of 4 here you have to write negative 4 into negative 4 into negative 4 എന്ന് വരും. 125 5 into 5 into 5 എന്ന് എഴുതാം. So the number is negative 4 by 5. How many times? 1, 2, 3 times. So 3 on the top right side. Come to the last one of the same type. Negative 1 by 32. Negative 1 ആയതുകൊണ്ട് surely negative 1 is multiplied odd number of times ആയിരിക്കണം അല്ലേ? അപ്പോൾ അത് അവിടെ നിന്നോട്ടെ. Look at 32. 32 എങ്ങനെ കിട്ടുക? If you don't know to write it directly, what you have to do is apply prime factorization on your right side. Prime factorization ചെയ്ത് നോക്കിയാൽ. So we can have 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 times needed ആണ് അല്ലേ? അപ്പോൾ സെയിം ന്യൂമറേറ്റർ എന്ത് ചെയ്യുക? 5 times you can multiply. So negative 1 into negative 1 into negative 1 into negative 1 into negative 1. So we can write it as negative 1 by 2 whole power 5. Clear all of you? Only little bit doubt in this case I think. But 32 first of all you express, then think about negative 1 and write that much times negative 1. Okay. Odd number of times vannadukondana result negatives. Clear? Let us move to the next case. Next we are moving to reciprocal of a rational number. Already you have studied how to find reciprocal of a rational number, very clear. Here there is also what the thing you have studied, the same method we are going to apply. Okay. So power notation so you needn't do anything to the power. Only you have to change which one? The base. So first one negative 81 power 2. Power 2 but reciprocal equal to alla, reciprocal equal to. കേട്ടോ, റെസിപ്രോക്കൽ ആണ്. സോറി, റെസിപ്രോക്കൽ ഈക്വൽ ടു യു നത്തിങ് വാണ്ട് ടു ഡു എനിത്തിങ് ടു ദ പവർ. പവർ ഈ സെയിം തന്നെയാണ്, 2 തന്നെയാണ്. ബട്ട് ഈ നെഗറ്റീവ് 81 റെസിപ്രോക്കൽ ആണ് എഴുതേണ്ടത്. നെഗറ്റീവ് 81 റെസിപ്രോക്കൽ എന്തായിരിക്കും? നെഗറ്റീവ് സൈൻ നോ ചേഞ്ച് ആണ്. നെഗറ്റീവ് നെഗറ്റീവ് ഇറ്റ് സെൽഫ് തന്നെയാണ്. നെഗറ്റീവ് തന്നെ ടീച്ചർ എഴുതി. 81 what is the reciprocal of the number or base? Reciprocal of 81 എങ്ങനെ എഴുതാം? 1/81. Keep the bracket. Power also the same. പവറും സെയിം തന്നെ. നെക്സ്റ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ടീച്ചർ എടുത്തത് റെസിപ്രോക്കൽ ഓഫ് -8/9 ഹോൾ പവർ 7 ആണ്. നെഗറ്റീവ് സൈൻ യു നീഡ് നോട്ട് ടു ഡു എനിത്തിങ്, നെഗറ്റീവ് ഇറ്റ് സെൽഫ് ആണ്. പവർ 7 അവിടെ നിന്നോട്ടെ. What will happen to 8/9? 8/9 what we have to do? Reciprocal means interchanging the numerator and denominator എന്നാണ് അല്ലേ. We have already studied ആണ്. In case of fractions, in case of rational numbers very clear ആണ് നിങ്ങൾക്ക്. അതുകൊണ്ടാണ് ടീച്ചർ കൂടുതൽ not giving more explanation. Okay, because we have studied the same. So 8/9 reciprocal is 9/8. Power has no change, 7 itself. Next teacher has taken 2/3 power 5. Power 5 there itself. Keep it there itself. 2/3. What is reciprocal of 2/3? 3/2 power 5. Similarly, last question. Reciprocal of 6/7 the whole square. There you have to write 7/6 the whole square. Actually reciprocal means multiplicative inverse ആണ് അല്ലേ. multiplicative inverse ആണ്. without sign ആണ്. sign there is no change ആണ്. only change goes to numerator and denominator ആണ് അല്ലേ. by interchanging numerator and denominator without sign ആണ് you are going to get reciprocal ആണ്. here all the given numbers are in exponential forms ആണ്. so their reciprocals also have the same powers ആണ്. only change goes to the base ആണ്. Okay, when we need reciprocal, write the inverse of the base. Base in the inverse ആണ്. multiplicative inverse ആണ്. when we are finding additive inverse ആണ്, given number negative ആണെങ്കിൽ inverse positive ആവും അല്ലേ. subtraction addition ആവും, addition subtraction ആവും, like that way. plus minus minus plus എന്നുള്ളത്. in case of multiplication എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോൾ reciprocals ആണ് എഴുതേണ്ടത് അല്ലേ. reciprocals are known as multiplicative inverse ആണ്. okay, multiplicative inverse means interchanging numerator and denominator without sign ആണ്. okay, sign there is no change. ഇപ്പോൾ -8/9 if you want to write you can write it as 9/-8, no problem ആണ്. but the rule says that you have to write minus sign there itself. 8/9 as 9/8. similarly -81 as minus sign, keep it there. 81 as 1/81. And it is finished. Having any doubt in it? Clear to all? Let us move to another important topic, laws of exponents. See, next we are moving to laws of exponents. Very important. Okay, next year also you need the same and you need the result till 10th standard. Okay, next year you have a chapter including all these cases. Okay, and in this chapter you are going to study only the exponents with positive powers. X power notations using positive integers മാത്ര പഠിക്കുന്നത്. Okay, next year we are going to study about powers as negative integers കൂടെ we have to consider. Clear to you? So by heart the same laws of exponents. Important ആണ് by heart. First law says that if a number of the form a power m, meaning is a is multiplied m times. Another one a into n, meaning is a is multiplied n times. അപ്പോൾ a power m into a power n is equal to a power m into a power n. See the specialty, number is same ആണ് അല്ലേ. a is the number here, here also a is the number ആണ്. but different powers ആണ് യൂസ് ചെയ്തിരിക്കുന്നത് അല്ലേ. ഫസ്റ്റ് പവർ m ആണ്, സെക്കൻഡ് പവർ n ആണ്. if it is given like this way, we can express this as a, number a itself തന്നെയാണ്, power as m plus n എന്ന് എഴുതാം. okay, a power m into a power n can be written as a power m plus n എഴുതാം. ഇപ്പോൾ ഫോർ എക്സാമ്പിൾ ടീച്ചർ ചെറിയൊരു എക്സാമ്പിൾ കാണിച്ചു തരാം. 2 power 1 into 2 power 2 എന്നാണ്. സപ്പോസ് 2 power 1 into 2 power 2 ആണ്. we are going to find the same. 2 power 1 എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ ടീച്ചറുടെ കയ്യിൽ ഒരു 2 തന്നെയാണ്. ഓക്കെ, 2 power 2 എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാലോ ടീച്ചർ 2 2s മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യണം. Now look at this one. 2 into 2 into 2. How can we write the same? 2 is multiplied 3 times or 2 power 3 അല്ലേ? അപ്പൊ അത് തന്നെയല്ലേ 1 plus 2 എന്ന് പറയുന്നതും 2 power 1 plus 2 ഈ സെയിം അല്ലേ 2 power 3. അപ്പോൾ the rule says that if a numbers are multiplied in the form of a power m into a power n ആണെങ്കിൽ we can write it as a power m plus n. For example, there are 3 questions teacher has taken. Simplify the following now. Okay. 2 power 4 into 2 power 5 എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ number is 2 തന്നെയാണ്. Power how do you write? 4 plus 5 എന്ന് എഴുതണം അല്ലേ? 4 plus 5 how much ആയിരിക്കും? 9 ആയിരിക്കും. Don't get the value this much enough. 2 power 9 enough. Okay. Next one 3 by 2 whole cube and 3 by 2 whole square എന്നാണ് അല്ലേ? ഇപ്പൊ number is 3 by 2 എന്നാണ്. അപ്പൊ ടീച്ചർ നമ്പർ എഴുതും. What we do with powers? We need to add the powers എന്നാണ് അല്ലേ? 3 plus 2 എന്ന് എഴുതാം. അപ്പോൾ 3 by 2 whole power 5 is our answer. Clear ആണോ? Last one negative 2 by 3 power 2 into negative 2 by 3 power 6 എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാലോ negative 2 by 3 whole power, add the powers, negative 2 plus 6, 2 plus 6 എത്രയാ? Negative 2 by 3 whole power 8 is our required result. Do you have any doubt in it? So by heart the same, a power m into a power n can be written as a power m plus n. Keep it in a small box. Okay, then it will be easy to study this. Clear to all? Let us move to our second property of the same type. So let us move to our second property. First property says that a power m into a power n can be written as a power m plus n. Why? Because multiplication is repeated addition. Now we are doing division process. A power m divided by a power n means reduction. Division means reducing the values. Subtraction. Repeated subtraction is called division. So what we can do? Powers can be written as a power m minus n. Power is to be subtracted in case of division of same numbers with different powers. Division of same number with different powers. We have to subtract the powers. For example, some questions are given for simplification. 3 by 4 power 4 divided by 3 by 4 എന്നാണ് അല്ലേ? അപ്പോൾ 4 3 by 4s ഉണ്ട് നമ്മുടെ കയ്യിൽ. അതിൽ നിന്നും you have to avoid how many? 1 ആണ് അവോയ്ഡ് ചെയ്യേണ്ടത് അല്ലേ? ഇവിടെ പവർ ഈസ് നോട്ട് ഗിവൺ മീൻസ് ഇറ്റ്സ് പവർ ഈസ് 1 ആണ് മീനിങ്. അപ്പോൾ ഒരെണ്ണം അങ്ങോട്ട് റെഡ്യൂസ് ചെയ്യുക. ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് 3 by 4 power 4 minus 1. That is 3 by 4 power 3 എന്ന് എഴുതാം. 3 by 4 power 3. Clear? 2 power 7 divided by 2 power 4 എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ we have 7 2s ഉണ്ട്. അതിൽ നിന്ന് how many 2s you need to cancel? 4 2s cancel ചെയ്യണം. So how many 2s will remain? 3 2s അല്ലേ? That is 2 power 7 minus 4 equal to 2 power 3. Top right side ആണ് you have to write the powers. Clear? Negative 3 by 7 divided by negative 3 by 5 whole power 5. Same method ആണ്. Number is negative 3 by 5. Power you have to subtract. അപ്പോൾ negative 3 by 5 power 2 is our answer. Clear to you? Same number with the different powers are multiplied. What we have to do? Number power as sum of the powers. In case of division, number, power, the difference of powers. Clear to all? Very easy. Get the idea. Keep this one in a box. Then easy to by heart. Clear? Third law. Next we are moving to very important result. Okay, result not law. Okay, third law result. Numbers with negative integers. Numbers with negative integers as powers. Powers ആയിട്ട് നെഗറ്റീവ് ഇൻറ്റിജേഴ്സ് വന്നാൽ വാട്ട് വിൽ യു ഡു ടു സോൾവ് എന്നാണ്. ഓക്കെ, നെഗറ്റീവ് പവേഴ്സ് വന്നാൽ വി ഡോണ്ട് നോ ഹൗ ടു ഡു. ഡു യു നോ? ബിക്കോസ് വെൻ പവർ പോസിറ്റീവ് ആണെങ്കിൽ മീനിങ് ഈസ് മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈയിങ് ദാറ്റ് മച്ച് ടൈംസ് എന്നുള്ള മീനിങ് ആണ്. പവർ നെഗറ്റീവ് 3 എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ 2 പവർ നെഗറ്റീവ് 3 എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ വാട്ട് ഡസ് ഇറ്റ് മീൻ? മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ടു നെഗറ്റീവ് 3 ടൈംസ് ആവും. ദർ ഈസ് നോ നമ്പർ ഓഫ് ടൈംസ് എപ്പോഴും എന്തായിരിക്കണം? പോസിറ്റീവ് ആയിരിക്കണം അല്ലേ? നമ്പർ ഓഫ് സ്റ്റുഡൻസ്, നമ്പർ ഓഫ് പെൻ, നമ്പർ ഓഫ് സ്കൂൾസ്, നമ്പർ ഓഫ് ടീച്ചേഴ്സ്, വാട്ട് എവർ ഇറ്റ് മേ ബി, the number is always എന്തായിരിക്കണം? പോസിറ്റീവ് ആയിരിക്കണം അല്ലേ? then only we have to do the procedure ആണ്. okay, so here when power is negative given, what you have to do to make it positive is write the reciprocal of the number എന്നാണ്. അപ്പോൾ 2ന് പകരം നമ്മൾ എന്ത് എഴുതുക? 1/2 എന്ന് എഴുതുക. പവർ എന്തായി? ഓട്ടോമാറ്റിക്കലി പോസിറ്റീവ് ആയി. 3 പവർ -4 എന്നുള്ളതിനെ നമ്മൾ എന്ത് ചെയ്യണം? 1/3 എന്ന് എഴുതി കഴിയുമ്പോൾ പവർ എന്തായി? പോസിറ്റീവ് 4 ആയിട്ട് മാറി. നെക്സ്റ്റ് വൺ 2/5 പവർ -3 തന്നാൽ what we have to do? 5/2 പവർ 3 എന്നാക്കുക. റിവേഴ്സ്ലി നെക്സ്റ്റ് വൺ 3/2 പവർ -7 ആണെങ്കിലോ റിവേഴ്സ് എഴുതുക. 2/3 എന്ന് എഴുതുക. പവർ എന്തായിട്ട് മാറും? പോസിറ്റീവ് ആയിട്ട് മാറും. ഓട്ടോമാറ്റിക്കലി പവർ ബിക്കം പോസിറ്റീവ്. Clear to all of you? Go through up to this and complete the same. Thank you.